How to host a fundraiser on Instagram. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply host a fundraiser on Instagram. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, what you're gonna do is open up the Play Store if you're on Android and open up that App Store if you're on Google. Search for the Instagram application and tap on it. Once it is searched, go on it and open the page. This kind of a similar page would open up in which you have to see whether the application is updated or not, and make sure that the application is updated. Afterwards, what you're going to do is going to go into the Instagram, because as you see, some of the features won't be available in the previous versions of this Instagram. So once you enter into the Instagram main page, you're going to create a post. To create a post, you're going to tap on the create icon that is at the bottom of the screen in the middle. Once you do that, you're just going to select a post that you have to make. Once you have selected a post, you're just going to tap at next, that is the blue icon or the blue arrow at the top right corner of the screen. Once you do that, there's this editing bar where you can edit your photo and anything you want to do. So once you have edited it, next you're going to again press that next icon. So once you have done that, under this page or on this page, there are a lot of options in which add a reminder, or just beneath that add a reminder post or tab, there is going to be a fundraiser option. In some of the countries or some of the locations, it doesn't appear so, and some they do so. So that is the why I was telling you to update your Instagram. Update it. So once it appears, you just have to tap on it and select the fundraising company of your choice and the amount or the goal amount that you have to select. Once it is all done, you just have to make sure you just next on it, and once you press next on it, so automatically you will host fundraiser on Instagram and people would automatically be able to donate on it. I hope this video was informative and you guys will like it, share it and comment it. And if you guys still have any problem, just comment down below. I would love to answer that query. So till next time, peace.